Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a delicious homemade hummus recipe. This recipe will only take you about 5 minutes to make and is so simple and delicious. Let's get started. Start out by adding 2 15.5-ounce cans of washed and drained garbanzo beans. Then add 1/4 cup of cold water and the juices of 1 lemon. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and 1/4 cup of tahini. Close the lid on your food processor and start it. While it's blending, add between 1/4 and 1/3 cup of cold water till you get to the consistency that you desire. Now, some people like the hummus thick and some people like it a little bit thinner, so you can thin it out as you like using the cold water. And this is the consistency of how I like my hummus. Now your hummus is ready to plate up. Sprinkle a little bit of paprika and drizzle some olive oil. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.